This is how to pause your Amazon seller account. So first thing we're going to want to do is head on over to any browser of our choice, whether that's Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Opera GX, anywhere that takes internet. And we're going to go to Google and look up Amazon Seller Central, or we can go to sellercentral.amazon.com and log in with our seller information. Once you've successfully logged in and you're here on your home page, we're going to go in the top right to this little gear icon. Then we're going to scroll and press on account info. Once you press on account info, it's going to redirect you to the seller account information. From here, under the category listings status, there'll be a link that you can click that says going on a vacation. Here you'll see the list of websites that you have active or inactive. Basically, if you're wanting to pause your Amazon seller account, you just have to press inactive and then save. If you want to reactivate it, redirect all the way back here, press active and then save once again. That is how to pause your Amazon seller account.